Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this very nice Paul Garnier pocket watch in a I think steel case, which is in overall good condition. This is some, I don't know what are those, I don't know. It seems like it's been kept in a good shape for its age. It has those beautiful blued hands, very nice. They are also, the second hand is blue. One can see that here is written Paul Garnier, Paris. Okay, the watch, it has inside an Omega movement. It has an Omega caliber 19 with 15 jewels, and that one is grade C or C quality. If you want to check the specifications of this caliber in C quality, please check twistoftime.com. It's a Romanian Omega collector who knows a lot about those pocket watches. Now let's show you the movement, guys. As I said before, this is an Omega caliber. The dust cover, it's written Paul Garnier, Horlogère de la Marine, Paris, has a serial number, clean case, and the movement. Look at it, Omega. It has a star regulator. Each movement it has on the main plate, on the dial side, a patent. I don't know exactly, maybe 30,050. You see the chatons. So, as I said before, this is a grade C. So, I told you about the Twist of Time, this site. Please check it out. What can I say about this movement? Let's read it a little bit. It has 7 jewels in chatons, 4 to the balance staff, 2 whole jewels, 2 cap jewels, 1 roller jewel, and 2 pallet jewels, 2 pallet pivot whole jewels, 2 escape wheel pivot whole jewels, 1 in chaton, 3rd wheel pivot whole jewels, 2 and 3rd jewels, 1 in chaton, 2 second wheel pivot whole jewels, and many other features. Please check it out, it's very interesting. So this is the movement. I think it's a very beautiful example of Omega pocket watch movement. It's a common caliber, but with those specifications, not so common. Very beautiful movement. It wasn't being serviced, but I will do that. Nevertheless, it's working very well. Oh guys, I hope you like this pocket watch. It's very beautiful indeed. It has a very nice sticking. Very nice finish. this one. One of the features of this C-class is fine finishing debauch and superior quality jewels. Anglage, cut temperature, compensated balance wheel, double roller, high quality brigade hairspring made of tempered steel, polished compass, swan neck regulator. This one is it has a star regulator, not a swan neck. So hope you like the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. Very nice watch indeed. Again, the dial has a fine hairline at the 8 o'clock, but very, very fine. Other than that, it's in mint condition. This is not scratches on the crystal. I don't know what this is, but it's not a scratch. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and please tell me your thoughts in the comment below. Tell me if you like this watch, if you know more about Paul Garnier, and everything you need to express. Please write on the comment section. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Cheers.